Some great news came out from Germany today, and we could see a lot of money coming into Dogecoin because of it. Let's talk about it. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. Read our description for more info about it. Now, let's get started with today's video. So, Get Your Guide, which is a German travel booking platform, has announced that it will accept Dogecoin as payment. It announced that they're officially entering the US market, and it's doing so taking Dogecoin as a payment method. This is their official webpage. It says, "Don't hold Doge all the way to the moon. You use it now to book travel experiences on Earth." This is a very good line. However, we all know that people that possess Dogecoin will continue to hold it no matter what. They stated that they will take Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies as payment. This is a huge thing because this platform is run by a travel company located in Berlin. They have about 45 million travelers booked in 170 countries. So, it is safe to assume that they are a rather large company. They'll be offering activity, attraction, and tour reservations pretty much everywhere in the United States. So, in a nutshell, they saw Dogecoin as a fantastic opportunity to approach the US market. The Bobby Hotel in Nashville, Tennessee, began taking Dogecoin and other crypto payments for overnight stays in April using BitPay. Furthermore, despite the fact that Expedia has stopped taking cryptocurrency, 700,000 hotels and rooms from the Expedia group were available through the booking site Travala. So, Travala accepts 30 different cryptocurrencies since 2020. The interesting thing to notice here is that more nations and businesses are beginning to accept cryptocurrency, especially Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. If they're utilizing BitPay, those are the three primary ones for a lot of these businesses right now. We know that BitPay accepts approximately 30 different cryptos, but it's wonderful to see that Dogecoin is receiving such a boost. Now, let's talk about some other great news from today. To celebrate Elon Musk's birthday, a US YouTuber sent Dogecoin into space. So, basically this guy launched a real Dogecoin to the moon. He filled the balloon with helium and decided to send the Dogecoin to the moon without using a rocket because no one has as much money as Elon. But it's still quite impressive. Now, this is wonderful because he beat Elon to become the first man ever to send Doge to the moon. I think this might make Elon announce the SpaceX mission very soon. Now, another great news came out for Doge today. Take a look at this. Daymac, a Canadian manufacturer of light electric vehicles, announced that the first prototype of Spiritus will begin mining Dogecoin from today. The process will be live streamed on their website, and viewers will be able to track the car's earnings in real time. Basically, this innovative feature is powered by the Daymac Nebula platform, which is awaiting patent approval. The vehicle also includes a Nebula wallet, which was designed to collect and store miner profits. Now, the best part about this is that other e-car manufacturers will be able to purchase a license to incorporate the Nebula platforms into their vehicles. So, with this, we could see a lot more people get into Dogecoin mining. Now, let's understand why this could be a big deal for Doge. This article says here that mining Dogecoin is still pretty lucrative when you compare it to mining Bitcoin. A Doge miner gets 10,000 Doge per block as a reward. As I said in the previous video, a rising hash rate for a crypto has some correlation with its rising prices too. So I think we could see a lot more people get into Doge mining with the Spiritus news, which is incredible for its price. Now, let's talk a little more about Bitcoin mining. There's this perception right now that in the long run, Bitcoin mining is harmful for the environment. But this article suggests something totally different. Take a look at this. It says that Bitcoin and renewable energy will both assist societies in developing new infrastructure that will decisively shape our futures. Basically, it talks about how because of Bitcoin, a lot of countries are amplifying their plans to use green energy. An example is El Salvador, which is developing a plan to use geothermal energy to support Bitcoin mining in the country. It also talks about how combining Bitcoin mining with renewable energy offers numerous benefits, and the strategy can be successfully implemented in a variety of other countries. When this green energy is used for Bitcoin mining, new opportunities for converting green energy into a profitable venture is going to emerge soon. So this is a win-win. But still, there's some bad news for crypto mining that came out recently. So, basically, Bitcoin's hash rate has dropped to the lowest level since July 2019. So, by the end of the month, an estimated 90% of Chinese miners will have unplugged their machines. And another news talked about how a number of hydropower plants in China are for sale as crypto miners officially leave the country. As of last week, 26 Bitcoin mining farms had been shut down in a single city in China. In addition, we've noticed that graphic cards are now being sold at a significant discount. As a result, many of the firms that manufacture graphics cards for Bitcoin miners would struggle. But still, I think there's still a silver lining to this. For one, Bitcoin mining is going to spread out to other countries now, which won't give one country that much power over it. So, basically, these miners are currently moving to North America, Kazakhstan, Russia, and other countries. Now, Bitcoin's hash rate will likely take some time to recover from the massive drop, but it will recover, and this is definitely not the end for Bitcoin. And there's another great news that came out for crypto mining. Take a look at this. The Iranian government recently approved licenses for several mining farms. According to Financial Tribune, the country's Ministry of Industries and Trade has approved the operation of 30 cryptocurrency mining units throughout the country. On top of that, they have issued 2,579 establishment permits to crypto mining companies. So I think this is definitely something to be happy about right now. And another great news for crypto mining was that Hut 8, which is a Canadian crypto mining company, said it has approximately 3,806 Bitcoin on its balance sheet. Now, this is up from 3,271 at the end of March. It also said that it expects the figure to rise to around 5,000 by the end of the year. Basically, miners accumulating so much can be interpreted as a bullish sign because it indicates that they are anticipating a price rally. Its CEO said that, "We now have 1.2 exahash in production, and the ongoing installation of new equipment puts us on a near-term trajectory to produce an additional 2 to 3 Bitcoin per day by the end of August. And this is on top of our current production rate of 6.2 to 7.3 Bitcoin per day." So, again, this is a really bullish sign for cryptocurrencies. Now, another really interesting news came out for India. It says here that Indian investors have put $38.8 billion into cryptocurrencies in the last year. So, India has been in the news several times recently due to a crypto crackdown. There were reports in February that the Indian government was pushing a bill to restrict crypto transactions. This was quickly followed by rumors that the government had banned cryptocurrencies, giving investors 6 months to sell their holdings. However, sometime after that, the National Payments Corporation of India clarified that the decision to limit cryptocurrency transactions was left up to individual banks. Now, this is really bullish because Indians didn't stop putting in money into crypto despite many warnings from these bans. So I think this is definitely a very bullish sign for Doge and the entire crypto market. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Goodbye, take care.